Welcome back. I've got a few more pointers for you on section views, specifically how to do what we need to do in figure 952 and 953. First of all, I have 952 here, and in this place we're going to put an offset section view. So our first step, having our top view in place, is to add a projected view in the direction we want it to go. Then double click. Over here we can change our display to hidden no lines, or no hidden lines anyway. Under sections, like before, we add a new one. Can tell we're going to create new, an offset, both sides, hit done, and we need to name it. I'm going to name mine A. Let me do that again. I'm going to name mine A. And now, Creo kind of hid it in the background over here. Hit plane, and if you can bring this up, it works easier. Sometimes it's just a pain in the butt. You have to work things around a little bit. But my plane is going to be this top plane here. And let's move that out of the way. Check my direction. The arrow's down, that's okay. And hit default. Now, in my previous video, Creo popped up the references dialog automatically. If it doesn't do that for you, the references icon is in the top left corner here. I know that was getting probably quite a few people. So we're going to select that face, this face, and that face, and our references should have the front and right plane, which is our default, and the three surfaces that we picked. Hit solve and close, and now we'll use the top view. Now, unlike SolidWorks, your sketch in Creo doesn't have to start on the outside. So in order to make this offset view, I'm going to make a horizontal line, come down, go all the way through here, come down again until it lines up. I think that L is what it's telling me it's lined up. And hit the middle mouse button to clear it. And now the last step that got a few people was, once you're finished with that sketch, you need to OK to save the section and exit. That should pop you back in to Creo's drawing view. And hit apply, and you should see the section view. And I'm going to change my display to no hidden. I guess it's already there. And close that. And that should give you the section view that you see in figure 952. So if you'll bear with me a second here, I'm going to close this and now open a new drawing to show you the next example. And this one is 953. That's not what I want. Empty with format. Format's A. Okay. Now again, drop a drawing view in to begin with. And I'll take the top view. How about the front view? Be a little better. Right view. That'll work today. And let's just check the left to see. Sometimes it's easier to tell what you're doing when you have the view you want applied. So that will work. And now close that. And we're going to create a section view, first starting with projection. And then to make our half section view, we double click. Actually, first of all, I'm going to hide all this stuff I don't want to see. Just uglies up the model. So we'll change this to hidden, or no hidden rather, and go to sections. 2D cross section, we'll add, this time we can just say planar, and I think single's okay. Hit done. It's going to ask us for a name, A. There we go. Get that back out of the way. And now I had that same problem where Creo didn't open my file. Still having that problem, I think. So it says which plane, and we're going to click on one of these here. Probably not that one. So the right view is the top face, so I think top should do. And that gave me a full view. Now I can come over here where it says full and change that to half, and it's going to ask me for another plane, which is the half view. I used top before, so this one will be front. Let's apply and see how it works. And that looks exactly like what I want. So there, I'm going to close it. And hopefully that explains any questions you may have on figures 952 and 953. If you have any further questions, feel free to email me or post it in the discussions. I don't check those quite as often as my email, but I'll do what I can for you. Thank you.